Hi, this is a short video about the best way to utilize your essential oils, how to store them, how to safely use them, where to go for resources, and much, much more. Congratulations on choosing 100% pure CPTG certified essential oils, only the best oils on the market today, highly concentrated that we can turn to for everyday health as well as any specific needs that you may have. For more about your oils, how they are farmed, sourced and distilled, and for tests performed on every single bottle that you have in your possession, head to sourcetoyou.com. And by choosing doTERRA, know that you have chosen to partner with a company that not only cares about your wellness with the purest of oils that you'll find anywhere in the world, but a company that makes a huge difference worldwide by partnering with farmers and growers to make a huge impact in the communities where these oils are sourced from. If your journey with doTERRA has started with one of our many kits, you'll be able to support 70 to 80% of your family's health and wellness needs. And no matter how you use your oils, you are definitely going to be able to reduce your toxic and chemical usage. You can use them to reduce or replace your over-the-counter medications. You can use them to replace household cleaning products. You can use them to support your personal care. Use them for hair, body and skin. You can use them in the kitchen to enhance flavours. If you have a need, there is an oil for you, whether it's for pain and tension, for digestive issues, skin support, immune boosting, for easier breathing, or to support your emotions. Okay, how to store your oils. They are highly volatile compounds, so their lids must be tightly closed after each use. They are to be kept out of direct sunlight, and let's be responsible and keep them out of the reach of children. There are 3 ways that you can use your oils. Aromatic, which is breathing in your oil straight from a bottle or using it in the diffuser. Topical, where you can apply your oils to your localized area or bottom of feet or to your pulse points, and of course internal use. Now we only ever recommend that CPTG certified oils be used in such a manner. They can be taken this way under the tongue, in a gel capsule or in water. How to use your diffuser. Your doTERRA essential oils are highly concentrated, so you don't need a lot. 4 to 5 drops in small rooms, 6 to 8 drops in larger rooms is usually what the recommended dosages are. Do occasionally clean your diffuser by filling it with water and a dash of vinegar and allowing it to run for about 5 minutes. This is the simplest and easiest way to enjoy the benefits of essential oils, and that way the whole family can enjoy them. Have fun experimenting with your oils. Open a bottle and see what the aromas do for you. You'll usually find that your citrus oils are uplifting, your mints are energizing, and your florals are calming and reassuring. And before you know it, you'll be blending away and making your own very favorite blends. There are some incredible blends that can be used to uplift and bring about a more happier, joyful atmosphere. Some can banish germs and purify the home. Some can help with congestion and easier breathing. Others can wake up, energize and focus, when you're doing some homework perhaps or at work. And some that can help you relax and sleep. Essential oils are essentially natural medicines, so please do take some time researching what the recommended dosages are. They are very safe if we do follow the correct procedures. We highly recommend diluting your oils to ensure that you don't experience any sensitivity, especially when we're dealing with hot oils like oregano, clove and cinnamon, for example. The best way to dilute an essential oil is with something called a carrier oil, and the one that we most often use is fractionated coconut oil. It will literally carry the oil to the skin and into your bloodstream. The recommended dilution ratio is typically 1 drop of essential oil to 3 drops of carrier oil. You can either make up a solution and put it into some sort of an aromatherapy jar or bottle, or mix it directly into your hands. For ongoing support and ongoing education, make sure to like and follow my page on Facebook, The Essential Oil Diary. I share lots of tips and advice on there. I will also include you in our wider community. We have a couple of support groups where you'll find like-minded people that have shared and love to share what works, and tips and tricks. There are so many places that you can access information. doTERRA blog. Wow, what an amazing place full of recipes, DIY ideas, product spotlights and webinars. There's also phone apps where you can have an amazing resource tool right at your fingertips, as well as, of course, books. I highly recommend the Emotions and Essential Oils book. You know, you might find some useful tools and accessories that you might want to invest in. Some aromatherapy supplies, bottles and jars and roller bottles, or carrier oils. Fractionated coconut oil, like I mentioned, is for everyday applications. You can actually get one from your very own doTERRA account. Apricot is what I usually use for my body, jojoba for face, but the choices out there are just huge. Of course, there's liquid soap where you can start making up your own body washes and face washes. Aromatherapy supplies are available online, or for carrier oils and other bits and bobs, why not check out your local health food stores? Did you know that doTERRA are more than just oils? They have an amazing range of products ready to use, available for your skincare, body care, hair care, household cleaning, wellness needs and supplements. You know, their number one selling product is actually the Lifelong Vitality Pack, a range of supplements that is amazing for everyday health and vitality. Now that you have your own doTERRA account, you can take advantage of the generous loyalty reward program. It is a fabulous way to shop with doTERRA, as you not only receive or can receive up to 30% rebates on all your purchases, but free oils and other perks also. To set your loyalty reward program up, or if you've got any queries, please reach out. Now that you have received your oils, have you booked in your wellness consult yet? We can meet either one-on-one for a cuppa, but we can chat via Zoom or via phone. But it is the best way of learning how to best utilize your essential oils, how to use your account, and so much more. Please reach out and let's book something in. The best way to learn about oils and how to use them is to attend a workshop. If you haven't yet attended one, why not organize a couple of your friends and I can come around and share all I know about them. You know, you can actually earn some of your oils for free this way too. Do reach out if you're interested. I keep in touch with all our members via a monthly newsletter and, of course, my Facebook page, as well as a group page that I have just for members. But please stay in touch either on Facebook, The Essential Oil Diary, or shoot me a message via phone, or send me an email. Whichever way, I'm here to assist, and I'll only be too happy to help.